I'm just gonna do a quick reassembly video of my paper 1911, and I'm gonna start up with the mainspring housing, and I'm not gonna go in depth with description and such, since it essentially is pretty much like the real thing. So there's plenty of videos out there that show you how to do that already, so I'm just gonna try to make this as fast as possible. So magazine release here, and all these little springs and such you see is from, mechanical pencils, pen, and lighters and such, so not much to it really. And same thing with all these little pins, just segments of paper clip or random wire and such. Alright, it's in there. I'm going to put the hammer strut onto the hammer. Yeah, looks good. Put the trigger into the frame, and the magazine release. There we go. I don't know where my flat tip screwdriver went, so I'm just using this little rod, unfortunately. And I'm going to put the sear and the disconnector back in. This is probably the hardest part. Looks good. Just hope the pin goes in. Alright. I already put the little plunger assembly in there, so that's what I'm talking about with the lighter spring. Let's see, the hammer pin, and the leaf spring for the sear, disconnector, and the trigger. Down the hammer strut, down mainspring housing retainer pin. That's a mouthful. And the grip safety. Make sure the hole's lined up. Alright. Let's see if, quick little check. Half cock, full cock, grip safety works, thumb safety works. Alright. Now I'm just going to put this rest of the slide assembly together. Oh, almost forgot the barrel link. Put that in there. This and that. Alright. Oops. Make sure that thing is aligned. And put on the slide stop. Yeah. And I'm just going to put on this bushing, and then the recoil spring. You're probably asking, where's the plug? Well, don't have it. I don't know. Have it somewhere in my room. So yeah, that's that. And this should be that's pretty much it, really. And you're probably some people were asking what the green tape thing was for on the grip, and that's because I broke off that little notch to put the screw in for the grip, so not a big deal. I just haven't had time to fix it, so that's pretty much it, really. Here's a little dummy round. Alright. Works. So yeah, that's it, pretty much it. So thanks for watching.